9 miles IELTS. Demo session.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
okay. Now let us look at the first essay. Now this is a sample essay question. Okay, like once you are sitting in the IELTS exam, you're gonna get something similar like this question.
Mm.
Okay, and another thing. Now this is of a particular type called agree disagree. Okay, so we will go on to the types later on at a later stage, like what is agree, what is disagree type, what is advantage disadvantage type. So that is another part we are going to do. So every question have two parts. One part is called known as the background statement, which tells you what the question is about, and then there is a question statement or a question type statement that tells you that what you need to do with the background statement.
Okay.
Okay, so this particular upper part is the background statement. So the first step that we do in IELTS is we are going to paraphrase this.
Mm.
Okay, like we paraphrase this background statement. So in the upcoming classes, mostly we are going to paraphrase this, and then we are going to write a thesis statement for this. Like we tell the examiner in the introduction, like we first rephrase this, and in the second part, we try to tell the examiner whether you are agreeing, whether you are disagreeing. Okay. So right now
Okay.
over here, I have a already written 9-band response with me. I'll tell you why it is 9-band and how examiner is going to look into your essay.
Okay.
Okay with that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let us start with the question. See, many people believe that social networking sites such as Facebook have had a huge negative impact on both individuals and society. Okay, can you see have and had together?
Yeah.
Any idea which form of tense it could be?
Like it was there earlier and even now it is there.
Yeah, it's like present perfect. The word perfect is actually means like past. So, and when I say present perfect, it means the past of the present. When you are going to talk something that happened in past, but you are narrating it in the present scenario. So that is called present perfect. And when I say past perfect, it means the past of past.
Yeah.
Like the train had already left. So that is past. Like, a past of past when I reached the station. So now in the evening, I am telling you something of a morning. The train had already left when I reached the station. So what I am telling you, before I could reach the